Hey guys, I'm Deepthi and today's video is going to be another affordable clothing haul which is from Meesho. So again, in today's video as well, it's a part 2 of my previous video which I will link right here. It is to give you guys an idea like what you can shop under a certain budget. So I've set the budget to 2000 rupees in case like there's any festivity coming up or any occasion where you have to shop and you just get a small budget to shop with. You can try out some kurta sets. You can check out my previous videos. I will link it right here. The Meesho kurta hauls, this kurta set hauls and everything. You can check it out and you can shop accordingly, like whatever you like. Some things are like hidden gem on this app and you guys will be really amazed. So by now, I think a lot of you guys would know what Meesho is. Meesho is an online selling and a shopping app. So you can sit at home and sell without any investment from your side, and you can earn whilst you're at home. Of course, it's also a shopping app where you get a wide variety of products to shop with, wide categories of products with different price range. So all you have to do is install the app with the link in the description box below, with which if you download, you get flat 30% off or rupees under off on your first order. Once you're done installing the Meesho app, all you have to do is click on the Meesho app. You can see they have a lot of different options. So you can click on categories, and here you have your women ethnic wear, you have your where you get all your saris, kurtis, kurta sets, you have your women western wear where you have top wear, bottom wear, inner wear, and then if you want to shop for your kitchen, which is cutlery, storage, you have those as well. If you wanted to buy some makeup, they have beauty and health option where there are some brands like Swiss Beauty available. So in today's demo, I'm going to be showing you guys like kurta sets because that is what I look out for the most and get most use out of. So when you click on kurta sets, you can see they have a new arrival section, best sellers. So I usually click on the best sellers, and you can see they have so many different variety of products. And if you did like something and you are a seller and you wanted to share it to your buyer, you can see this product right here has a +5 option, which means that this particular seller has different variants of product, like different prints, different colors. So you can share that using the share now button, which would be shared with images and description without the price to your buyer. You can share it via WhatsApp, email, Facebook groups if you have any, Instagram, however you like it. If you click on the product, say I like this white kurta set, so I'll click on this. And if you want to share the individual product, again all you have to do is press on the share now button, and then once you're done doing that, all you have to do is click on add to cart. You can click on the size that you want to add, then say continue. And once you're done adding the product to your cart, you have to say checkout. Here you have your different payment options, which is online, cash on delivery, Paytm. So I'll click on cash on delivery and say proceed. So here, if you are a seller, you have to enter the margin. You have to earn a margin, right? So if this kurta set is priced at 785 rupees, I'm going to sell it for 1000. So in that case, you can see you make a margin of 215 and then say done and proceed. But if you are buying this for yourself and you're not a seller, you have to enter the exact price that is mentioned here, that is 785. So your margin is 0 because you're not earning a margin, and it's for yourself, and then say proceed, where you can enter your address and place the order. So yeah, with all that being said, let's get into today's haul. The first thing I got is something that I don't think a lot of you guys would have seen in different hauls, because I got some night pants. This one is a set of 3 pants for 466 rupees. Each pant actually is priced at 100 odd rupees, and I got this one in the size small. This is what the pant looks like. They have a different color combination as well, whichever one you can choose. I just got the pink and blue because it looked decent to me. So this one, it fits me pretty well. It's very, very comfortable. I have already started wearing it. The inner material, it just feels a little bit like rough, little bit, but not too much. And I think this would be perfect to wear during the rest of the year, not summer so much because it can cling onto your body, but I'm still going to wear it because it's a little bit loose and I really like it. That it is a little loose and I can wear it however I want. I can pair it up with whatever things. The print on it is not my favorite. It is a little bit childish, like Hello Kitty, and these prints are not my favorite, but at home I'm not that particular about what I wear, so I can manage with it. And then we have a dress. This is so beautiful. Look at this color. I really liked how this color was looking. It's a full sleeved dress, and this one is priced at 666 rupees, and I got this one in the size small. So this was the starting size. I wish they had an extra small because then it would fit me like a glove, but this was pretty good as well because it has that tying detailing where you can tie it towards your back and you can tighten it however you want to. So that would give a more well-fitted look to the fabric. And the full sleeve is really nice. The sleeve is a little bit loose. I would like to taper it at least half an inch, but still pretty okay. The work towards the sleeve, everything is okay. All that I was concerned about was there's this button detailing, right? On this, can you see that golden heart? I was like, why is that there? It's so unnecessary. But I found out that it's just a sticker and you can just peel it off. What was the point of it even? So that one is a little bit childish for me. So I will be wearing it without that. But other than that, pretty decent kurta. You have to be careful when you are peeling the sticker off the buttons because they are not very steadfast and sturdy. They might rip off along with the sticker. So just keep that in mind. And I have a feeling that color will fade a little bit after a wash. And then the next one is also an absolute favorite of mine. It's so elegant, so comfortable. This is a rayon black kurta set, and this retails for 610 rupees. Can you believe that? This retails for 610. Yes. I really like how the kurta looks. It's so simple, nothing too much. I don't really like that kind of the bling work like the one this kurta had, like towards the sleeve. All of that detailing, I don't really like that. I feel like it kind of pulls the fabric down, makes it look a little bit cheap. But if it is like this, it's just so nice and elegant, so soft. And this one is in a size M, but it does fit me pretty well. Like I think it's actually a size S. Okay, if you can get an idea, and I can get away with wearing this even without altering it as much. It is a little bit loose, but it's okay. I really like it. It's very comfortable, very simple, very elegant, and it comes with a palazzo pant, which is also my favorite. It's an elasticated pant, and just look at that, so well put together. Just go hand in hand. Looks really nice. You can pair it up with a jhumka and just be done. Again, doesn't come with a dupatta, which I don't really mind because I have these salwar sets from back in the day and kurta sets which come with a dupatta, but the dupatta remains brand new. The rest of it is faded because I don't really use it on a daily basis. I just find it to be a big hassle. So if you are not particular about dupatta like me, then you can buy this one. If you are very particular, then you can check out my previous Meesho hauls where it's an entire set. And then the next kurta is not the one that I ordered. I'm still waiting for the one that I ordered to arrive. I will leave a picture of it right here, which is really affordable for the set itself, which is for 326 rupees, which is really affordable. I really like the color of that. It is on its way before, and I thought, okay, let me just film this haul video because that's going to take forever. So they sent me this kurta, which I'm not a very big fan of, and this is not the one that I ordered. So that is quite frequent. It does happen quite a lot because I think they get a lot of orders. There are codes for this product, and it can be misunderstood very easily because the same seller has different products, and I'm not sure how they're notified and how their app works. But yeah, I've always got my returns and my exchanges very hassle free, so that's not a big problem for me. I'm just waiting for that to arrive. So yeah, these are all the products that I could shop for under 2000 rupees. I feel like some of this was like a steal for me. So let me know what you usually shop on Meesho. Do you shop like for beauty products as well, like Swiss Beauty and all is available on Meesho? I can probably do that. And brushes. And also let me know if you have picked up any clothing that you really like. Leave the code in the comment section down below and I will buy that for probably the next couple of hauls. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.